Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Get Transcript on IRS.gov. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Get Transcript on IRS.gov, begin by opening your web browser. Type in www.irs.gov in the address bar and press enter. Once the IRS homepage loads, locate the search bar at the top. Type in Get Transcript and click the search icon. Click on the link that says Get Your Tax Record. You will be directed to the Get Transcript page. Look for the Get Transcript Online option and click on it. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Prepare your personal information, including your social security number, date of birth, and filing status. If you have filed taxes in the past, have a copy of your last tax return handy. Follow the prompts to input your personal information accurately. After entering your details, you will receive a verification check. If successful, you will be asked to set up an account. Create a username and password that you will remember. You may also need to provide your email address and phone number. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the IRS website and log in using your new credentials. Once logged in, you can access your transcripts easily. Select the type of transcript you need from the available options. Download or print your transcript directly from the portal. Remember to log out of your account once you are finished. You have successfully registered and accessed your transcripts on IRS.gov. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.